Now let's go over customizing your success page. So once somebody opts in and register for your webinar, they will land on this success page. You will need to make sure that everything is set up in your email form on your email marketing service so that they are redirected to this page when they sign up. All right, so again, here are different customization that you can do, and each of those sections you have their own customization backgrounds and such. So let's go over the background. The background here, again, I've used the same blush background from the home page, the front page, the registration page. You can change that here. And I've extended that background right here, so you can again change the background color right here. This is a great area in the background because I want to put some differences between step 1 and step 2 for readability. So again, the color is right here. And the last background color is the footer. I like to keep things consistent, so front, back, all those pages are the same footer, do have the same footer. Your video here is your success page video, so that's where you're going to place, your thank you and welcome and maybe some information on what to do next. Again, make sure this is a watch video. From YouTube, for example. You can also link Vimeo, Dailymotion. I would not want to do self-hosted due to hosting limitations. All right, success, you're in. You can change all that information by clicking again the little blue box and changing your content here. Here's what to do next. Step 1, they need to check their email inbox because you have instructed your CRM to shoot them a welcome email. And that's why you have a step 1 to check their email inbox. Now, you have a lot of people using Gmail, and Gmail has a tendency to classify those emails into deep into Gmail's accounts. So in order to alleviate Gmail users, I've added a piece of code here where they can click here and directly find the email from you. But you need to update that little bit if you want to use it by clicking here. And this is the email that you need to update with yours. And click the little arrow here. If you don't want to use that little bit, just select it and delete, and that's perfectly fine. Next, it's going to invite them to join your Facebook group. And again, here, please update this bit of information by clicking the little pen here and add your URL to your own page. Now I have an invitation to share the opt-in page. So you would need to update that. Oh, we have a step 4. Well, no, there's a 3 here. There you go. Love it, share it. Then here they can share the specific opt-in page that we want them to share. So by changing the link, you will need to be careful on how this is written. Just change the back area of this URL, just that what is highlighted. You're going to share either the opt-in page URL or your website or something that you feel comfortable with. Same with Twitter. This one I've changed a little bit. I said loved the templates from Daring Design Co. with my URL here. So you can change all that and make sure that you have a percentage 20 every time you have a space in the sentence. And also, this is the code for the double dot. All right, so you have to be careful with the code. If you don't want it, just simply delete that section and you're good to go. Now let's add your personal message here. It goes here with your headshot here. Upload your headshot or your logo. And here you can update this area. Make sure that you have a short, sweet little bio or a little fun paragraph or two here. and here you need to update your URL. And click this, apply. Then last but not least, if they did not hear from you, then you will need to instruct them to check and email you. You can update that again. Keep the mail to that will open your email, their email program, and add the email that you need them to email to. Apply. And here I have a little button that brings them back to your blog. Please change that to your liking, and that should do. Don't forget your footer again, your legals here, your copyright, and save. And you're good to go for this one. Make sure you have a URL that you remember or copy and paste somewhere so you can add it to your email marketing service.